Remember you said Nesta now win and she can't win in a court. So how are you alone and get locked up? Remember you make your people them encourage you, and I tell you this long ago from a dip on my fridge top. I say, Rosealee, you see these people, they are going to encourage you right into your demise. Jakes chop you up and slice you up. Jakes never lock you up. Where you want Jakes to do cuss Nesta? No, I'm not cuss Nesta. I'm not cuss Nesta. Where am I cuss Nesta for? Where am I going to tell Nesta don't do it for? And have a chance to get your pitch from the man.
What you saying?
You get the slightest chance. You not big up your baby father. You not big up your baby father for you make moves over you. You know say Jakes me not in the line, but did that all your back. When you did that with me, you never have tile. I know you have rainfalls. You don't do that. I'm glad oh you have better sense than me so my kids them can live more comfortably. You know say them something there. You know want the man strive. It's just the other day Shanta over your yard and you question her and I beat down Jake's success right in front of your daughter. He's a demon. Me sorry the police never use the handcuff and conk you. Me just sorry the police never use the handcuff and conk out your nastiness. You give out Nesta's address. Number one, you defend Nesta, you know. Cause you said Nesta say you live in the worst part of Phoenix. Nesta did not give out your address. You're trying to tell a lie on the child and you sat on the internet and you gave out Nesta's address. Somebody says she's compulsive, narcissistic, whatever the word is. You understand me, liar? Yeah, she is. She blame everybody but herself. She's a demon. She's very wicked. You come to the point where your class all you picnic them for not visiting in jail. Your class and say you're done with them. Cause them not call you. Them not this. You find everybody to blame apart from yourself. Everybody you find to blame. And you see them dirty stinking people up on the live. And them I encourage you. You shall be in and out, out and in. Oh. You shall be. When I tell people every day, an Island Vile you used to walk with and show people style for your granny out of back market. Island Vile. And them not believe me. The evil way they on you, Rosealee. It take 2 pastors and 1 ecstasy for burn it off for you. Me now ask you. You're very evil. You get locked up based on Nesta and know you come class Jakes. You say you don't want Jakes but you tell the police them see there. I share oh she afraid and I share my baby father this. I share my baby father this a dance. You say the man, you don't want the man, so on become your baby father all over again when somebody has spar with him. Eh? Or somebody fear take your baby father and it hurt you. Me not understand other part that me can't understand with you. You're very evil. You're a demon seed. And don't call my name, but me and everybody over here so argue. Or Shebada them and the rest of them. Me not argue a reason come I ever tell you the truth. When me tell you the truth, Nesta bling show you the truth. And it's just the truth. Jakes not do you nothing. Why not take set plan Akeem? You want Jakes send your mouth Cheryl for mind the little girl where this up Cheryl. Me never buy Shanta no bag, not even a socks. Me never buy her. Me never buy her. That's the only time me I take the cow and ignore the calf. Me never buy her. Because you culture the little girl not to respect who I feed her on the other hand. A child is a child. You make a decision with Akeem, he made a decision with Cheryl. Why you put a wedge between Shanta and the stepmother? And Jakes ain't putting a wedge between you and children and Akeem. All I know, you don't come up and say, Akeem, people are chatting upon the app, man. Play your part in the advance in the welfare of the whole human race. Play your part. You want Jake, send him out, Cheryl. That's exactly what you want. No, it's the truth. So when people sit down and them are justify, all of una chat shit. All of una chat shit. The girl got no money. You think Rosealee could have money on the top? But say, see them just buy peace salon, I could have Olaba. I could have Linstead. Me just buy peace salon, I could have Westmoreland. Yeah, she can't hide nothing. She got nothing. Akeem could have got bail because he not have no receipt in her name. That much you for understand. No for una buy things off of the app, that's why una get on a size. That is the problem. You go on like Nesta, what's your name there? I do your bad things. She ain't doing you anything bad. Keep the child's name out of your mouth. The child will use the law and fight you. And that much you not get, and you use TikTok to fight the child. She not care about TikTok. She's using the law to fight you. And you don't realize that. You know, so the people let me eat at the station too. Because authority is on the app, I'm tired for telling you that. Authority sit down pan yaso. You are going too bad. You are going upon people like you want #1 tracer in the world. And you're not intelligent. You're not intelligent. So when you sit down and you're the he's a wicked dirty germs. He's a wicked drunk. You create this one bag of negativity on the FYP. And I said it before. Your children are around you. And you don't care how you're behaving around your kids. You have your picking them beside you. Then the little girl could be better now in a Jesus name. How the little girl must be better. Yeah, make she believe that this is the norm. Jake's not for tell Nesta to drop no charges. If Jake's ever tell Nesta that Nesta lock up him too. Outer order and bright. And Yellow is not deserving of the kids. Yellow must go. Yellow is an easy buyout. Because you're supposed to overlook the kids and you have the mama behave like this. Are this a visiting? Don't take in a courthouse and jailhouse. You have rules and regulation. Our son speaks standard English, Rosealee don't understand what I say. You don't see it? Hey, move from this one. Hey, girl. You think on a lavish in a negativity. In a negativity, you just lavish down there so. You like the idea of being negative on the app. She don't deserve access to the kids. So when you sit down and you ball, but I'm say, and them people are wicked. Nobody wicked like you. Nesta nothing ease up. Of course I get to people them hungry, them easy for buy out for true. You are a wicked soul. Every time you say something about Nesta, she for serve you. Cause you not have a case, she for serve you. Remember you say Nesta now win and she can't win in a court. So how are you alone to get locked up? Remember you make your people them encourage you. And I tell you this long ago from the on my fridge top. I say, Rosealee, you see these people? They are going to encourage you right into your demise. No, Miss J, it's true. I say every time you see these people, you feel worthwhile. You see tops and roses and gifts. I go make some of you me to not do. You know why? Because you not focus on what you get and not focus on what you go. From a dip on my fridge top, I said these people are encouraging you right into your demise. But no, me hate you, me have you up, me this, me that. I said this long ago. You like the fact to come out and talk about say, if them not have Rosealee name in their mouth, them not feel good. No, that's not the case. When Miss J.A. turned on her live, sorry, our phone, because the woman just come from gym and work, and she want cock up her foot and make her muscles relax. When she scroll upon her FYP, it's low negativity coming from you. What is there to talk about? What if we're getting pure sun and no rain, we're going to speak about the sun. If we're getting sun and rain, we're going to pick our choice because all of them nice. No, Pink Patty is true. This lady is spreading demonic stuff over people, and if you're not good enough to cover yourself, dog, nyam your supper, you share in everything and pain and struggling and suffering. You think a joke? Me say to her, say, Rosealee, you're negative on the FYP. And the only thing, and one time she's being negative on the FYP, she lied herself. If you watch her attitude, she lied herself. Yeah, what the son can't take down me? What I say? Me a queen of this. Nesta is the queen. Nesta is the queen. Cause Nesta a damage who a call himself queen. And it's just the truth. You and the child can't have court case and you're out here being raucous. Nobody no mightier than the law. No one is mightier than the law. I tell you this already. I say, Rosealee, you come on life, you tear up all paper. Like nobody can touch me like you can buy out the army or the force. I'm going to tell you, it's pain nasty people you ever support you. Nobody with sense now support you. My problem is, if Akeem was there last night, where was he this morning? If he can't bail you, where Akeem have in his name? What Akeem has is in his name. Of course, Rosealee under strong science. And then when shit hit the fan, you call upon God. But you see me go ball pound now. My tears now go in vain. Your tears that the Obia man beloved. Jakes not do you nothing at all. How Jakes get involved in this? From Akima ignore you, your pitch pan Jakes. The little girl and you are all adult conversation about who to call her father. Oh, over there, oh, over there. Eh? Go and eat your 2 meat. You're too out of order. You're very rude. And that's all she do, you know. She just ate the fact that when Jakes is underneath her, Jakes never did make headway for himself. But now that he removed himself from underneath her, and that hurt her. She thought that she hold on Jakes. Exactly, unbothered. And that hold on Jakes, and that hurt you. No time at all. Nobody part with you make it apart from Akeem. No design is true. Me say, I tell you this already, you know, and I will say it constantly. You see, she and Jaden believe that them own TikTok and people must bow down to them. She and Jaden, them just have a sense of belief, say TikTok is theirs and nobody must rise. Nobody. And them have this thing to say, a them a bust this and a them a bust that. You need to stop. You need to stop. I just Monday I come on and I say me not telling a lie. The FYP is so negative. The internet is so negative. Too much negativity exude on the app. And everybody will give you money a good money. And everybody will give you money a good money. This lady has never came on live yet and say she has put out a positive energy. She can't. She don't know what it's like to be positive. If Jakes talk to Kiki, Move from here so you and Kiki there. Kiki, you all big. Kiki, you this. If Jake start to Candy, wow. Go suck your mother, Candy. Candy, you whore, you don't live nowhere. Every woman that Jake talk to, it's a problem. It is a problem. And then when you don't know, you deflect and project. Him just obsess over me. No one obsess over you, Rose. Nobody do obsess over you. I'm happy you think so though. Nobody no obsess over you because you're the only one cannot get a man. Yeah, you're the only one up here walk by man. All in a Phoenix Park. Face the fact nobody no want you. Nobody no want you. You know just shape but you think. People must sit and sob with you. But yesterday, them have a dare game. If you can't play, come out of the match. You ready to tell the world dog how in Pickney sick and how you want Jakes between Pickney? You're rude. You're very rude. And then people must have sympathy on you and yours. But you can't crucify another man and his child. And people must have sympathy, Boss Chrissy. For she and fear own. It no works so. The scripture says show mercy, you obtain mercy. Exactly. Me and you have an argument. You vex over the fact. And let me say this again. It's when I spoke about the little girl not behaving like a child that everybody run with the FYP and said this little girl needs to be reprimanded. This little girl, Rosealee is not telling me only what to do to her daughter, you know. She's telling all you all we have something to say on that day about that event. She's telling all of you, it's not only me. That much we need to know. And then in return now, she wants Jakes to come out now and defend Shanta after you throw Shanta to the arms. You want Jakes come out now and defend. Where Jakes never defend? When did I go defend? You want to set up Jakes because you're like that. Your psychology never ever work. Because Jakes know your best. Your psychology never did ever work. It reverse like on you. Your psychology reverse on you. Him not defend him daughter when you know sir is his daughter. Before you chat Jakes with your daughter, or when me a class or you remember. Kind of have no respect for Jakes either. You got to throw your daughter in a grown argument. You never think say she have a father. You never think say they go sound bad. Eh? You never think say Jakes gonna feel a way based on what you say. You never think so. You leave it at that. But my mother to them there. Because everybody just advertise things for you, so. You never think so. And that much you need to understand. I don't want Nesta leg off of your neck. And Nesta, you think Shanta can cool you? And Nesta alone can humble you. Nesta alone, I tell you, say, yes, when you're upset with somebody, you want the world to upset with them. And when you and them agree back, you want the world to agree back with them. You want to have the internet in the palm of your hand. And that you want though. You want to have the internet in the palm of your hand. Nothing more, you know. Me say Nesta nothing Lego after you. Nesta must just stand up same way. All when the internet come against Nesta, she must stand up. She must stand up. She must stand up. You're too wicked and boy you sit down on live a ball. My problem is where is Akeem and where him having a name? Make him to the vroom vroom come bail you. Nesta Blink says I will. No, it's true, Nesta. Don't let go off her. Do not care what the internet has say. Don't let go. Officer see there. She and my baby father. You remember say your baby father now. Analyze Z baby. Analyze. She remember says her baby father now. You don't want to see nobody around the man, but yet still the man obsessed over you. They may never hear this here. Look how the man gear to Aki make Akima use you. And Befa, yeah. Look how the man gear to Aki make Akima use and abuse and refuse and set you aside. Look how the man do. Jake's not even see you. Jake's got all the rights to take set from both you and Akim. Jake's got all the rights. And he's not doing it. He's not doing it. And every chance you get, Nesta lock you up a while ago, you come on Jake. And him chat me here, so me remember you tell me say you cut up yourself. Remember Jake was hardly around much less to chop you. Exactly. You go like you're a bullbuck and dopey conqueror. Me can't believe say you're picking them there beside you and you are behaving like this. And if me stand up now and whine in front of somebody you hear Crystal, you hear them say, I wanna have no kids and make Shebada dance in front of them. Eh? And you the mother behave in front of her picnic. That's why the little girl and you is grown. Una roommate. Of course, yellow for gun yam shit. Yellow for gun yam shit because them buy out yellow. And that's so Rosealee stay the same with them buy out job prior. We not see them pattern. Them buy out yellow, that's why they pick them can run. Number one, they pick them not supposed to they run Rosealee at all. She's unstable, no care where she lives, she's unstable. The kids must not be around Rosealee. But you sit down. I look back the rent. But me now say not, that's why you see my tears. Your tears meaningless, bitch. Your tears meaningless. But me go cry upon them. Cry harder. Cry harder. Big no sweet. Exactly. A wicked people ball. Me say I don't. Me say I should spit out Nesta name. Paper. Paper. Yeah. I should spit out Nesta name. Paper. If she even say Nesta smell nice. Paper. Me not like that hairstyle when Nesta. Paper. Yeah. You come and lied. You can't win Nesta. You can't win. Nesta now win, but are you alone as long on station bench? So I don't know how winning go again, you know, cause a long time I don't win nothing. A long time I don't win nothing, so I don't know how winning go. Yeah, Nesta is a new PayPal.